Hey guys, welcome back in CodeSphere. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can send images in chat activity. So first of all, you can see on the screen that I'm running the app in my physical device. So when I will click on the button send message, so here you can see that the activity is open and you can see that there are some previous messages and you can also see that there is an image that is sent by me to Rahul Jain. So you can see that the image is appearing on my side. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can do this. So without wasting time, let's start. So guys, first of all here what we will do is guys, in our previous tutorial I have shown you how to implement chat functionality, and guys, in that tutorial I have to do one thing that I forget. So you can see that this is chat activity, understand, and here we are implementing the search on after text changed, understand. And here you guys may be thinking that why this search is not working. It is because of we have to pass this query instead of this profile reference that I forget to change. That's why it is creating problem. So here you have to pass the search first of all, understand. And now this mistake is correct. So when you will search, so it will show the user on the top. Yeah, and then after this we can proceed for sending images. So for this guys, what you have to do here is first of all create a activity new, and this is going to be activity empty activity, and guys its name will be send image is fine I think. Yeah, send image, enter, and now the activity is getting created. So guys, as you can see that the Gradle sync is now successfully done. So guys, in previous tutorial there was some problem that when you will run the app, so you will see that these icons are not at exact place. So here you can do one more thing is that that is a very simple process. All you just need to do is go to this split, and then guys, let me, yeah, so after this you have to go in the page down, understand, and you can see that we have these two buttons. So here what you have to do is simply write a linear layout, and that will be wrap content, understand, and that is going to be padding, and the padding will be 5 dp. Very simple. Orientation is going to be horizontal, then close this one, and then after this guys you have to cut this linear layout, control plus x, then you have to cover both of these buttons inside that linear layout, understand. And then after this what you have to do is simply click on this and then simply take it downside. Yeah, so now you can see that it is done. That's all you have to do. Now it will look more good, understand. Then click on this red line, red bulb, add suppress, and done. See, now the error is gone. So after this when you will run the app, so it will look pretty good, understand. After this we can proceed. So you have to go in this send image, and for now you have to do one more thing, and that is a very simple thing. But before this, just click on this camera button. See, this is a button for camera, and check its id. I think yeah, see, there is no id. So here you have to write id, and that is going to be cam underscore send message. So you can understand that it is a button for camera, and then here you can see that there is a cam btn, understand. You have to give the reference. So simply write cam btn equals to find view by id r dot id dot cam send message. You can see that it is predicting, and now we have the camera button, understand. In this tutorial we will not focus on microphone, we will only focus on camera button. So after this we can go in this send image and make this one linear layout, understand, orientation vertical, and you can give some padding 2 dp, that's okay. After this we can proceed for now. So after this guys, what here you need to do is yeah, we need an image view, and that will be image view match parent, height will be 400 dp is fine I think. Scale type center crop, and then id iv underscore send, oops, iv underscore send image, and here you have to write one more thing, that is id. See, that's correct. After this you can close this one. We have the id, we have center crop, height, yeah, everything is fine. After this you need a very basic button, so write button, that will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and text is going to be send image, and then I think this button should look beautiful. So background is going to be center back, I think it will be okay. Yeah, and text color is going to be White will be okay. And text size, I think 20 sb is fine. Yeah. And then let me give some margin so it will make it more beautiful. So now I can see that the button is looking pretty good. And sender's back is not good. We should go for button back, I think. Yeah. Button back is yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, see. And now it's time for id. So id is going to be uh, btn, I mean first of all id, then btn underscore send image. Understand? I think yeah, it's okay. After this you can close this one. And guys, now we need a text view, and that will be yeah, wrap content, and text is going to be yes, don't uh, it means that do not take, do not, it should be, you know uh, do not press back button until it's uploaded. So basically what here I'm trying to do is that you should say the users do not perform any operation until the image is uploaded successfully, otherwise it may create problem. So it should be tv underscore uh, you can say don't, it's fine, tv don't, yeah. And gravity is going to be you can give center. Yeah, that's pretty good. Text color will be, I think red is good, because there is a reason. When you will give red color, so it will show the importance of the color, I mean it will show that it is mandatory. Then make the visibility, and that is now it should be invisible. We will make it visible later. Understand? And now after this you need a progress bar, and that will be wrap content layout gravity is going to be again center, and then id is going to be progress bar underscore send image. And then after this you can make it visibility, again make it invisible, we will make it visible later. Understand? Now we have all these things, so we can proceed in this send image. But for now there is a few lines of code that you have to write in this message activity. So here you can see that we have this message activity, we have this camera button, and we have given the reference exactly. See, camera button, camera, cam send message. Understands? Now we have to implement set on click listener. So here you need to write send cam btn dot set on click listener, then new, then on click listener. And here you need to copy some lines of code from create profile. Yeah. So for this what you have to do, click on this package and create profile, open this. And here guys we will get the codes, and that is, it is a very simple part. It is for picking an image, control plus c, go back message activity, and here you have to paste it. And it is showing this error, so you have to simply pick image. We can write one thing above here. You have to write a very simple line, private static final integer, and that is going to be pick image equals to, that will be 1, and that's okay. See, that was a very simple process. And then after this you have to write we also need a uri for yeah, because we need to load that image somewhere, that's why we need that uri. So after this we can proceed. So guys, now you can see that when the user will click on the camera button, so it will open the intent to the gallery for picking any image. Understand? And then after this you need to write, you need to copy these codes from here. See, simply copy this from here, control plus c, on activity result, go back, and then after this you need to paste it. And now we have some problem, so you have to declare that URI here. And then guys, we will not load that image here, delete these codes. See, very carefully what here guys now we will do is when the user will choose a image successfully, understand, successfully, so we will do something. What we will do, we will create a string that will be url equals to, and that is going to be uri dot to string. Understand? So here basically we are converting a URI to a string because we will use intent. So write intent equals to new intent, and that is going to be from message activity dot this to send image activity, not send message, send image activity dot class. Yeah. And then here we will uh, send some data. So write intent dot put extra, and that is going to be, first of all, its name, that is going to be u, and then value, that will be url. Understand? Then intent dot put extra, and that is going to be, again, this time we will send n, it means receiver's name. Yeah, again semicolon, then again intent dot put extra. This time we will send sender receiver uid. Our uid means receiver uid. Write receiver uid, then semicolon, and then after this intent dot put extra, and that is going to be suid, means sender uid. So write sender, oops, write sender uid, and only these four things that you need to send. Then start activity and pass intent. Okay, so guys, when the user will pick any image, so suddenly we will send that image to this send image activity. Understand? And now come to this send image activity, and yeah, one more thing, go back here, else. Understand? So don't forget to implement this part, because if user will not pick any image, so it will crash the app, and I do not want it. Understand? So just simply make it no file selected, no file selected. Yeah, that's okay. Now we can come to this send image activity, and we can proceed for now. Yeah guys, so here you need to declare some basic variables, that is going to be string url, and then receiver name underscore name, sender underscore uid, receiver uid, receiver underscore uid, semicolon, these four strings. Then for image view, image view, and then after this uri for image url. After this progress bar, then button, not bundle, button, and then upload task. Later we will need it, don't worry, that is going to be very simple. And then after this we need storage reference, because we will upload an image. Yeah, so storage reference, that is going to be storage reference, and then firebase storage, and then firebase storage. After this database reference, that is going to be root ref1, root ref2, semicolon, and then after this firebase database equals to firebase database dot get instance. Understand? So now we can do private, not progress bar. Again we need a uri, so write oops, small private, yes, then uri, that is going to be uri. Understand? And then after this again message member. Now go inside this on create, and now we need to initialize, first of all I will initialize that message member equals to new message member, semicolon. Understand? And then after this guys, we will write storage reference. So write storage reference equals to firebase storage dot get instance dot get reference, get instance dot get reference, and that is going to be message, not this, message images. Understand? And now we can proceed. After this image view equals to find view by id dot id dot iv underscore send image, then button equals to find view by id dot id dot btn send image. Understand? Then progress bar equals to yeah, find view by id dot id dot pb progress bar send image. Understand? And then yeah, one more for text view, so write text view, that will be text view, and then semicolon, come here, and then you have to write text view equals to find view by id dot id dot tv don't, yeah, tv don't. And then yeah, I think almost done. So after this we will use bundle for driving the data. So write bundle equals to new, I mean get intent, obviously, get intent dot get extras, then semicolon, and here we will do the rest. So write if bundle not equals to null, then what we will do, yeah, first of all retrieve the URL equals to bundle dot get string, that will be u for URL, then receiver name equals to bundle dot get string. What is for the receiver's name? Receiver's name, yeah, you have to write n for name, then receiver UID equals to bundle dot get string, that will be receiver RUID for receiver UID, then semicolon, then sender's UID equals to bundle dot get, not to string, bundle dot get string, and that is SUID for sender UID, understand? So now it's correct. And in the else part we will show a toast message, that is error, that's fine. So guys, now we are sending four strings and here we are retrieving four strings. So let me check it again. Open this, N U U N R U I D S U I D. See, U N R U I D S U I D. It's okay. Now we can proceed. Fine. So after this, guys, when we will retrieve that URL, so you have to write Picasso dot get dot load URL dot into, that is the image view, understand? And then after this you have to make the URI equals to URI dot parse, that will be URL. Again we are converting that URI, I mean we are converting that string to URI because we need to do it, understand? And after this, guys, here you can see that we will do the reference. So for this you can go in this message activity and then go upside here, and then you need to copy this from here, control plus C, go back in this send image, and then here you need to paste it. See, so you have to make it root ref, and then again root ref 2. Now we have the reference. Yeah, we are almost near. So after this you need to write button dot set on click listener, then new, then on click listener. So when the user will click on this, so we will create a method and that will be send image, and then red bulb, click on this, create method, दूसरा option created, understand? And then guys, when the user will click on this, so we will do the text view visible, set visibility visible, understand? Yeah, so it will avoid you, it will give the user an instruction that please do not do any operation until the image is uploaded successfully. Yeah, that was the only reason. And then after this you need to copy some more codes, and that is from this create profile, open it again, then copy this get file, and then open this back again, and here you need to write, see, so it will get the extension of that file, understand? And first of all, progress bar dot set visibility visible, or we can do one more thing is, yeah, if image URL, I mean, yeah, you can do one thing is that image view, or where is the URI? Yes, URI, if URI not equals to null, so we can proceed, else we will show a toast message, please select something. Actually, if it will be null, so we will not come to this activity, so actually it doesn't make sense, but still it's it will be okay if you will give something in else part, because sometimes it causes runtime error, I mean runtime crashing, and I don't want error. If your URI not equals to null, so we will proceed. First of all, we will make the progress bar dot set visibility visible, understand? And then after this we can do one thing, yeah, what, open this because here we are also uploading image, and yeah, so you can see that this is the code for that, so simply copy this, and then after this control plus C, then go back in this send image, and then after this you have to paste it. And I know there is a lot of errors, we will solve them one by one, don't be panic. So choose this one and then delete this one. Yeah, and then here you need to remove this one. Yeah, that's okay. So make this one. Yeah, see the errors are gone, and then I will show you where is it creating problem. Here you can make it image URL. So basically where is the URI parsing image URL is basically a string, I think. No, it's a URI. Yeah. So guys, here at the place of this image URI you should give image URL. That will be okay. So after this you can do his yeah, it's almost correct. Here you need to give the again image URL. Yeah, see it's working pretty good. Yeah, and here you can see that we are guys we are doing very simple thing, and if you are new to this channel you guys may be thinking that I'm doing a very complex thing. It is not that difficult, it's quite easy. You know what here I'm doing is I'm checking that if the URI is null or not. If it is not null we can proceed. So first of all we will make the progress bar visible, then we will create a task for our app to upload an image in server, and then this process for getting the download URL of that image, understand. And here when the task is successful so we will get that download URI, understand. So now we have the download URI. So what here we can do is, yeah, when we have the download URI, so we need time. Yeah, because we will save that entire data as a message. So for this we need time, just like we are doing in this message send message activity. So here you can copy the codes, control plus C, go back, send image, and then control plus V. Now we have the time, we can go back in this message activity. And then guys, now because we have time so we can proceed, simply control plus C and then go back, then control plus V, understand. So guys, instead of this message we will pass the download URI that we are retrieving here. So here you can see that we are getting the URI of that image, understand. And now instead of place we are saving that URI, so write to string. Yeah, and then image type is going to be IV, and make this reference root ref 1, understand. Again root ref 1, then root ref 2, and then again root ref 2. See, and that's okay. And yeah, it's almost done. And when it will be successfully done, so what we will do here is yeah, we will use a intent. First of all, make the progress bar invisible, set visibility invisible, and then again text view dot set visibility invisible, understand. Guys, before running the app, one thing that you need to make sure is change this image is this URI to image URL, because that URI is null, and if I will try to send message to any user then it will create problem, understand. So first of all, then layout and then message layout. So guys, here you can see that we have these two text views, very basic text view. So here you have to implement image view, and that will be image view. Height will be, I think 300 dp is fine, understand. And then height is also 300 dp is okay. And then id iv underscore sender, and for sender gravity will be layout gravity will be right, understand. Then visibility gone, close this one, and then again copy these codes, control plus C, then control plus V. This time this will be its side will be iv receiver, and so guys, you can see that now it's done almost. Yeah, and this gravity, remove this line gravity, understand. And now we are okay, so you can go in this message view holder for now. So for this guys, here what you need to do is a very little amount of validation that you need to do here is there is a thing that you need to do is write if type dot equals text. So we will do this thing, understand. So if type equals to text. So we will simply control plus X, control plus V, and else. So if it is not text, else if type dot equals to IV. So if it is an image view, else. So for now guys, there we will do that if it is an image view. So again write if current UID dot equals sender UID, and then so you have to make the receiver TV dot set visibility gone, understand, then sender TV dot set visibility gone, understand. So write yeah, for now you have to declare two more image views, image view IV underscore sender, and then IV underscore receiver semicolon. And this time guys, when you will, yeah, so here you have to make the IV sender dot set visibility, that is visible, and then Picasso dot get dot load, and that will be message dot into IV sender. Yes, and then after this you need to write else, that if current UID dot equals receiver UID. So what we will do is simply control plus C, copy these codes, and then guys here you need to make the IV receiver, and then you will load that message in IV receiver. So guys, that is all part of code. And now, so guys, after writing these codes, here you need to write two more lines. IV receiver equals to item view dot find view by ID r dot ID dot IV receiver, understand. And then after this you need to write IV sender equals to item view dot find view by ID r dot ID dot IV receiver, sorry, IV sender. Yes, that's all. So guys, now it will work absolutely good. So I will not run the app again because tutorial is already long. So when you will run the app, it will work pretty fine. And if it will not work, so you can let me know in comment section. I will try to reply next 24 hours, or I will cover the solution in next tutorial. That's okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. So make sure don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Thank you for watching.